So, I'm just curious about this hashtag after Trump's acquittal, and I just randomly picked 10,000 tweets from this day to this day to analyze in the R programming language. So, this is my disclaimer. I just want to convince my students in sociology and the social science that it's not a bad idea for them to learn how to program or to code. So, as we can see, if we run a frequency from these tweets by the date, the number of tweets decreased drastically from the 6th to the 7th and to the 8th of February. And here's a simple program I wrote in R. It's just a few lines, as you can see from here. And this is what I found. As we can see, the sentiments tend to center around neutrality. There are only a few tweets. They are towards very positive or very negative sentiments. In general, in my humble opinion, people are dissatisfied but not too unhappy, or they are happy with the outcome but not to the extreme. That's just my 2 cents. And it's not my research focus, so I don't know enough to comment. Okay, these are the sentences within the different Twitter feeds with the top sentiment scores. As you can see, they are quite provoking. So, we can also save the sentiment score in a file and just open it up to see what we got. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier in another video, there's a way in the R syntax to convert all these Twitter feeds into spreadsheet so that it's easier for us to analyze. And we can just sort this, and we don't have to worry about this. It's just an automatically generated IDs by R. So we can sort the sentiment score and see what we find. As you can see, the tweets are quite provoking, the sentiments. The tweets or these sentences within a tweet with the higher scores can be quite provoking if you just go through one by one. If the scores are negative, it means that the sentiments are negative. The higher the negative score, the higher the negative sentiments, essentially. Because I sorted the tweets by sentiment scores in reverse order. So as we can see, as we scroll down, the negative scores got smaller and smaller, but it seems the majority of the tweets have a negative sentiment scores, and these scores are neutral. These tweets are assigned a neutral score, and some tweets have a positive scores. So, as we can see, this is a topic related to political sociology, but we can borrow techniques from sentiment analysis, text mining, to analyze what people actually thought pertaining to this event earlier in February. And I also ran analysis on the emotions related to this event. And I also saved my tweets in a spreadsheet. And the same thing here. We can sort the emotions in descending order to see what are the main emotions associated with this event. And here are the top sentences with the highest emotion scores. As you can see, they are also very provoking. And here the file is sorted. So, as we can see, it can be very provoking, each of the tweets. So, this short video is just to convince my students in the social sciences that it doesn't hurt to learn how to code or program. Have a good day.